Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Rockwell Process Consulting. And we're doing the 10 steps to creating a business. So we've already gone over getting feedback on all the steps, as well as identifying your company name and products and services that your company will be performing. Step 3 is taking that company name and registering it, as well as using it to get yourself a website and an email address. So to start off with registering the company name, you can do that on the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office website. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. It's got a tremendous amount of information and resources for you on how to start your business. So that's a really great website. Also, you can use an accountant for registering your company name, as well as all the other services that an accountant can provide. I personally use an accountant. The company is Life on Thrive. They're local here in Long Beach, and they've been a great resource to work with. They've given me a lot of great ideas, and the little bit of money that I spend on that service has come back to me many times over in time, in tax benefits, and other ways that provide me and my company value. So that's a really worthwhile and valuable service that I recommend to people. I'll leave a link to them in the description as well. The next thing is your website. So Squarespace is a really good option that I use personally. It's got a G Suite email integration, so you can do all of your things all in one place. You can register the website domain and email, have it all in one spot, and that's only like $1 or $2 a month, depending on the package that you get. So that's a really good resource as well. Squarespace is really easy to build websites. If you aren't tech savvy or want to outsource that to someone else, if you have friends or family that are tech savvy, you could outsource that to them. If you don't have that available to you, then you could use a website like Upwork, where you can get contract web developers to help you fairly inexpensively. So that's another good resource as well. So I'll leave a link to those, all those companies and websites in the description that I mentioned. And that's step 3. So we'll see you next time. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them below, and we'll see you next time.